What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're here at World Balance here at Trinoma Mall. So let's go! Guys, I'm already inside the World Balance shop here at Trinoma. What I've noticed is that World Balance came a long way already. They have so much sneakers that they have to offer and a lot of them are so nice. And I was kind of surprised that they also have technology. They already have 4 technologies under their belt. So they have the TerraSoft, which is an insole that they normally use for basketball sneakers. They have the Bubble Tech, which is the midsole, similar to the Air Maxes. They have the Trampoline, which is an EVA foam, which is sort of like the Ultra Boost or the Epic Reacts or the React technology. They have another insole again, which is called the Bounce Pad. So that is normally for their lifestyle sneakers and some of their training sneakers. So here at New Balance, they have so many basketball sneakers that really looks good. This is one of the sneakers that I saw in the outlet that got cut. So this is 2,299 pesos. So it has different colorways. This is the white one. They have the red. They have the blue. They have the blue over here. So another sneakers that I'm interested in, another basketball sneakers would be this one. This is 2,499. So this looks like a very good and affordable sneakers, local brand. So it has 3 colorways. They have this color. They have a Red's colorway or black and red, and they have a black and white colorway, which is this one. So these are the LeBron looking sneakers that I also saw in the outlet. So this is again a World Balance sneakers. They have the air bubble over here. The material of these sneakers, the materials that they use is really premium. Looks like they really spend a lot of money for all the materials that they use. They have this carbon fiber looking material on the heel, then this plastic mesh that they have on the medial side, the lateral side, and the toe, all the way to the medial side. And of course the air bubble. So this one is 2,699 pesos. The last sneakers that I'll be checking is this one. These are called the Reverse Jam. So this is a basic looking basketball sneakers, but looks good. So this one is 1,899 pesos only. So if you want a beater, a basketball beater, and from a local brand which is really good, you can get these. less than 2,000 pesos. They have different colorways. So they have these. They also have this Reds colorway over here. So here at World Balance at Trinoma, they also sell PBA basketball jersey. So as you can see, they have Scotty Thompson jersey. This one, Thompson again. Asi Taulava jersey. Kelly Williams jersey. This one, Banchero jersey. Kramer jersey. Anthony jersey. Velo jersey. So they have a lot of PBA jerseys here available. Also available here at World Balance at Trinoma. So for the women's section, they have a lot of choices, as you can see. So they have so many sneakers that you could choose from. But this one is their number one sneakers right now. These are called the Kaya. So this is 2,099 pesos. You have this colorway and the pink colorway. So for the men's, they have their Invictus. So this is the white colorway. White and gray colorway with hits of orange and yellow. So this one is really nice. This is a very good Dad shoe, Dad sneakers. And the quality of the materials that they use on these sneakers are really premium. That's why the price is at 2,199 pesos. It comes in 3 colorways. So they have that. They have these. So this colorway looks like the New York Knicks colorway. So they have blue, they have orange, they have navy, they have white. Really nice colorway. Again, the price of these sneakers is 2,199. And then they also have the black colorway with hits of yellow. So this one, if you want a more subtle vibe of the Invictus, you can get these at the cheap price of 2,199 pesos. So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here at World Balance. So finally, I was able to do a World Balance sneaker shop visit, because last time I tried to do that, I was stopped. Anyway, thank you to the people at World Balance. Before we end this video, guys, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. So please check out the mechanics down below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.